So once you pull the whole commission-based compensation mix out of the formula, now you get really creative, right? You can do some things that you're never able to accomplish that you should have been able to accomplish from the beginning. So the first is you can replace commission compensated advice to your employees or any initiative to cross-sell an insurance policy with a coach and a technology package that's actually going to help employees improve their lives. And so the cool stuff that happens is now you're actually engaging with employees on a level that makes a difference and it matters to them. And then add another layer, we call this the icing on top of the cake. They're resonating your company story, right? So the Wellth Coach is not going in as a salesperson trying to enroll someone. They're going in and saying, do you know why I'm here? Do you know why I don't earn commissions? And do you know why we went through the process of cost optimizing your employee benefits, your 401k program? It's because your employer wants you to stick around. Because your employer wants to ensure that there's $0 of hidden and unnecessary charges being passed down to you. And so now what you're doing is you're painting a long-term picture, right? In the next 10 years, your account balance, 20 years, your account balance, and so on and so forth. And so that's the idea, aligning the initiatives and the objectives of the organization, which is engagement and retention, with lower price tools, right? Cost optimized tools. With the initiatives of the employee, financial fulfillment, financial stability, financial or job satisfaction, right? This is what NetWealth does, and without commissions, this is all possible. With commissions, you only sell products.